It to the software took it short right there. It was beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to try in the NQ and see what we can do, if we can add to it, or we will add to it. Okay, maybe we're going to get one here. Let's see here. I trust the shorts now. Nope. It's just not ready to go. It's a funny Monday. Yeah, ES is looking better. No, I'm not going to give that back. I don't want to. Not that I would, but I don't want to. The NQ moves better at this time. She could be moving to do another move down. Yeah, she's stopping out. Here we go.
Order filled.
Flush out. 71, 69, 69. Let's go 69. 69. There we go. 69s. 68s. 67.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Go, baby, go. Another flush move. Software caught it perfect. 66s. I want 65s. Hold at 65s. There we go.
Order
Nope.
canceled.
Ah, she was just teetering. She was just teetering. She's showing me some green. Ah, it's a head fake. They call it a head fake. I'm gonna think that that's gonna be good, because that's a good Monday. 4,000 and 2,000, and it's only 9:46, and we're in kind of murky waters right now. Let's see what the VIX is. That's kind of stall in VIX, but it's up 154 points. So, okay, I am going to call that good. All right, thanks for, well, I'm going to, what am I doing here? Why don't I show you what, love doing that, what I made for the day. All right, I made $122 worth of commissions, 2,000, so it's roughly 2,700, and 87,000 for the day, or for the month rather. And this ES one, let's see here, 122, 3,900 roughly. No, actually 3,800. And 122,000 for the month. Alright, yeah, I left more meat on the table, but I think I'm gonna take this and go. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll keep making the videos.